You are looking at the MT-033 tactical folding knife. It's a 4.5 inch closed folding knife with a 3.5 inch matte finish stainless steel blade. Has a titanium coated bolster with wood overlay. Also includes a pocket clip as well as a thumb opening system or catch right there. This particular model also comes in a slightly smaller model, the MT-033S. Looks identical except for it features a 3.75 inch closed full length bolster with a 2.75 inch matte finish stainless steel blade. Has matching pocket clip and wood overlay. But this was the MT-033 by Master Cutlery.